Patrick and Louis Connors began harvesting sardines in a little boat called Hummingbird back in the late 1800s. From that humble beginning, the two gentlemen went on to build their own weir and eventually their own manufacturing facility here in Blacks Harbor. In 2005, we were the first North American seafood company to adopt a global sustainability policy. And in 2008, we were a founding member of the International Seafood Sustainability Foundation. Brunswick sardines are shipped across the nation and is the #1 brand of sardines in Canada and in the Caribbean. We ship over 750 million cans in over 50 countries worldwide.
When we leave our home port in Blacks Harbor, New Brunswick, we try to get to the fishing ground, catch our fish, put them aboard our boat, chill our fish down, and have fresh product to the plant as soon as possible.
It means a lot to me to work for Connors Brothers. Both my father and grandfather worked here before me, so it means a lot to be a third generation in the company. Sardines are a healthy convenience food rich in omega-3, vitamin D, protein, and calcium. They're also high in selenium, which is vital for thyroid health. They truly are a cost-effective way to get a whole host of nutrients.
We believe what sets us apart from others are our people and our location. Our people because of the tremendous amount of pride that we have in our products and in our community, and our location because of access to the cold pristine waters of the Bay of Fundy, which we believe are home to the best tasting sardines in the world.